Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just ran out to the grocery before I go to work. Ay, ang buhay naman oh. Raran muna tayo sa store. One more. Ito. One more. 3 cereal. 3 cereal. Dito tayo. Yogurt, hold on. Yogurt, may tao. May tao dyan. Egg muna, egg. Where's the egg? Oh, juice. Juice. Yogurt. Great. Wala pang masyado tao guys, kakabukas pa lang. It's corn. We have to get corn. Yung buo pang salad. I need dito chicken powder para sa mga bata. Pop-tart chocolate there. Chicken powder, andito chicken powder. Asian side. Ayun. Mahal nga lang guys, mahal. It's $11 ito. $11 yun. $11. Oh, bubble tea. Oh my God. Bubble tea. Oh wait, pasta. I'll get pasta guys, pasta. Mahilig kasi ng anak ko ng pasta guys. Pasta o talo na, okay na. Pasta. Spaghetti. Sauce marinara. Yan. Ito, tatlo for 10. 3 for 10. I'm rushing guys to the okay. Early in the morning guys, running to the store before go to work. Ay. Egg. Oh my god, egg is 10 10 na. 9 lang noon. Ang bilis tumaas ang presyo guys. Ano ba? Ay, no choice guys. No choice talaga. Talaga no choice. Mahal na nga bilhin. Pantibra na lang bumababa. Let's go, tama na. Grab tayo ng shampoo. Kailangan natin ng shampoo everyday, diba guys? Shampoo. Shampoo. Mais guys, oh. 77 cents. Shampoo. Dito tayo. Pakwan, apple, avocado, bulaklak, saba. Bawal ang saba. Bawal ang saba. Let's go get shampoo. Let's go get shampoo guys. Damit, oh, mga damit. Mekos po dito. Mekos. Dito tayo sa shampoo. Ay, dito. Dito tayo sa shampoo guys. Shampoo. Oh, sales ba? Oh, shampoo and the conditioner. This oh boy, ba't tapat dyan? Malaki yan. I think that's the price of this small one. Okay, we get the conditioner and the shampoo. Oh, kuha pa tayo malaking ano yan? Colgate. Gonna get Colgate guys. Araw-araw natin gagamitin Colgate. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.